What's up everyone? Jeff and Migs here with PolarPro, and today we're going to show you how to install your filters on the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom.
In the past, removing the stock bezels have proven to be a bit more challenging. The Mavic 2 is no different.
But don't worry, after following these easy steps, you'll be swapping filters like a pro. Let's get started.
Today we're out here getting tracking shots with both Mavic 2s. Hopefully we get some good ones of Jeff sending it.
You! Whoa! Oh, shit! Woo!
So we'll be using the Mavic 2 Pro for this first scene, so let's go over how to filter install on the Pro. The first thing you're going to want to do is just grab the stock UV, rotate it counterclockwise, and then just pull it directly off. Sometimes it can be a little bit finicky and hard to actually get your fingers around the edges, so we built this filter tool that's going to allow you to grab it and then you just rotate it and pull it off, and it's included in all of our filter sets. All right, so once you get that stock UV filter off, you're just gonna take the filter, make sure that the ND8 is readable and facing up, throw the filter on and rotate it to the right while pressing down. So you're actually engaging those two ball pins while you're pressing down to rotate it and lock it in. And the ND filter can only go on one way, so just make sure that ND8 again is facing up. And actually on the back of the filter, there's two white triangles which signify the top of the filter.
All right, sick. Let's get this bird in the air.
Did you get it, Migs?
Yeah, it's pretty sick. Now let's get onto that Mavic 2 Zoom and get some punched in shots. Installing the Mavic 2 Zoom filters is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is remove the stock UV and replace it with our filter. A lot of our customers told us how difficult it was to remove the stock UV from the Mavic Air. So we built a special tool to remove the stock UV from the Mavic 2 Zoom, and it's included with all of our filter sets.
All right, and one more tip, whether you're installing filters on the Pro or the Zoom, it's always a good idea to hold the gimbal with your opposite hand just to provide some support when you're torquing on it a little bit. Migs, you ready to get that Zoom in the air?
Yeah, let's hit it.
You. That was pretty fun, huh, Migs?
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
We look forward to seeing the content you guys capture with our Cinema Series filters. If you have any questions, just type them below and we'll be happy to answer them. Or you can shoot our support team a message, and we look forward to helping you capture perfection.
We're also heading up to Alaska next week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell so you don't miss out on our adventure, and we will see you guys on the next one.
Phew.